Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Cyckowski, and I am absolutely thrilled to be presenting again at InnovateEDU this May in Cape Town. I had such an incredible time with all of you last year in Johannesburg, and I couldn't be more excited to keep the momentum going this year. For those I haven't met yet, I wear a few different hats. I'm a full-time technology coach in New Jersey, United States, where I partner with educators to drive student success through purposeful tech integration. I'm also a virtual ESL teacher in Taipei, Taiwan, where I get to use digital tools to enhance learning. Working directly with students every day allows me to test and tweak everything I share with you, ensuring these strategies actually work in a real-world classroom, whether in person or online. As a professional EdTech trainer, my goal is simple: helping you leverage technology intentionally to reclaim your time and improve student outcomes. The energy at InnovateEDU is unmatched, and I can't wait to reconnect with old friends and meet many new ones. I'm offering 3 workshops this year, and I've refined them to make sure you walk away with exactly what you need. First up, Click, Explore, and Learn, a guide to virtual field trips. We are bringing the world to your classroom. This workshop is for any teacher or administrator looking to create immersive experiences. This year, we are focusing on the power of Google Earth to build these journeys. You'll spend the session actually building your own virtual field trips, and you'll leave with a shared collection of trips created by the entire group, ready to use with your students the very next week. Next, we're tackling your to-do list with Streamline Your Day with AI. This is for everyone: teachers, coaches, principals, administrators. We'll dive deep into practical tools like Google's Gemini, Magic School, and School AI, exploring both teacher productivity and student-facing options. You'll leave with a personalized AI toolkit designed to help you focus on what matters most: your students. Finally, I'm excited to present Canva for Educators: Transform Your Teaching with Design. This session is designed to be a bit more advanced, so it's perfect for those who already have a handle on Canva and are ready to dive into its sophisticated AI features and video editing tools. We'll be creating high-level, visually stunning templates together so you can take them back to your school and share them immediately with your colleagues and students. I am so ready to get to work with all of you. Let's make this year in Cape Town the best one yet. I hope to see you at InnovateEDU this May.